Hi and welcome back. In today's video, we will be talking a bit more about MetaBlox. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe. Let's get into it. MetaBlox is releasing the Genesis Miner NFT. It is one of the world's first miner-pegged NFT. The pre-launch was held on Binance NFT from the 24th August till the 31st August, which hit the #1 spot in trading volume so far. And following this huge success of the Binance pre-launch, it will be officially launched on September 6th on the OpenSea platform with only 1,000 units available. Now let's discuss a bit more about MetaBlox. This is the website of MetaBlox. Essentially, it is using a blockchain technology to build a decentralized passpoint infrastructure for Web3. It also aims to work on providing authentication solutions where credentials are user-owned and completely verified. MetaBlox is releasing the Genesis Miner NFT. It is the world's first miner-pegged NFT. The pre-launch was held on Binance NFT from August 24th to 31st, which hit #1 spot in trading volume. Following the huge success of Binance pre-launch, it will be officially launched on September 6th on the OpenSea platform with only 1,000 units available. Now let's talk a bit more about MetaBlox, what it is and how it works. So MetaBlox is using blockchain technology to build a decentralized passpoint infrastructure for Web3 and also the authentication and solution where credentials are user-owned and completely verified. MetaBlox is using blockchain credential, the decentralized ID, which is also known as DID, to access Wi-Fi or Web3 apps. It can also be used for real-world authentications. For instance, let's say a user can set up their DID to verify their age at a liquor store without revealing any of their personal information like their home address. MetaBlox is also deploying miners that function as a Wi-Fi routers to create a global network of free Wi-Fi hotspot. So by simply using their DID, users will be able to seamlessly connect to this network and roam without a need for reconnection. And as mentioned before, MetaBlox routers mine crypto for providing Wi-Fi for Web3 users. MetaBlox is deploying miners that function as Wi-Fi routers to create a global network of free Wi-Fi hotspot. So by using their DID, users will be able to connect to this network and roam without a need for reconnection. And as mentioned, the MetaBlox routers mine crypto for providing Wi-Fi for the Web3 users as well. Not just that, MetaBlox also has quite a reputable companies as their partners. So we have companies like Synergies, Harmony, Wi-Fi Alliance, Wireless Broadband Alliance, and many more. The Genesis series MetaBlox NFT is one of the first NFT that would prioritize value generating utility, and the miner-pegged NFT has 3 special utilities that are all designed to earn holders a passive income. So that's really amazing. Every MetaBlox NFT has a cloud mining feature, which means that each NFT is connected to a physical MetaBlox miner at a particular location that's operated by MetaBlox and which would give an ongoing rewards to any NFT holders out there. The MetaBlox cloud miners will go online on December 12th, 2022, directly following the NFT staking period. The miners out there are maintained by MetaBlox, meaning the cloud mining comes at no extra cost to the NFT holder. The miners are also located in high traffic area where mining and rewards are much higher when you compare it to the other locations such as shopping centers, tourist attractions and hospital. So for example, the Genesis NFT holder therefore would earn more tokens than they would if their miner was hosted in a private residence. Holders can stake their NFT between September 12th and December 12th for daily MetaBlox token rewards, and holders can also stake their NFT on the MetaBlox staking website. So that way, with flexible staking, holders will be able to withdraw their NFT from the staking pool while also keeping all the tokens earned for each staking day. And this pool shall close on December 12th when the staking rewards become available for withdrawal by the NFT holders. else. The MetaBlox NFT also gets holder the OG community memberships status, so that is really good, which gets them access to various rewards such as the VIP status at special events and promotions which will be held by MetaBlox and its partners, special airdrop from various GameFi partners, the boosted mining income from DeFi partners, discounted price for using the MetaBlox network for their business, and also you get an option to have strong voting rights in the community governance. Currently, MetaBlox presented the Genesis NFT at the NFT NYC event on June of 22nd, and the MetaBlox team successfully demonstrated how the MetaBlox miners and the app would work together during the event. This NFT is currently a trending project on Binance NFT as it has become one of the top sellers on the platform after its pre-launch on the August of 24th. One thing to remember is that the price has significantly increased since the launch. On September 6th, the MetaBlox NFT will be launched on OpenSea, and the NFT staking shall begin on September 12th. The cloud mining would begin on December 12th. MetaBlox is planning to launch a token soon, and like any other token, you will be able to mine the token while providing Wi-Fi, stake the token for rewards and participate in community governance. The MetaBlox team is led by industry leaders in telco, fintech, and blockchain application, and the team also has top-notch advisors who have worked on various other crypto projects. And remember, the MetaBlox Genesis Miner NFT will launch on September 6th on OpenSea in quantities limited to 1,000 NFT. So really exciting stuff, and I highly encourage you to go ahead and purchase these NFT. This is the Twitter page of MetaBlox Network. They do have a following of 21.8k followers. Over here, they make regular updates about new stuff they are working on. You can also follow them on Telegram, Discord, Instagram, and other social channels. So stay tuned for that in the MetaBlox social media channels for their updates, giveaways, and other news. But really exciting stuff coming soon. Highly recommend you to check it out. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.